Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. We are going to look at Robinhood Markets from financial perspective and also from the technical perspective. So let's see what is happening at the beginning on the financial side. If we are going to look at the financial statement, we may see that annual base on 2022 it was reported as negative income, as you may see, the net income. The total revenue is normal that it will be positive. We have the net income negative in 2021 and 2020 was positive, but not too much, and 2019 was negative, but it was not a big deal. If we are going to look at the net income year by year, it was strange in 2021. Something strange happened in this specific numbers here related with operating income. It was very low, and this created all the negative numbers on the lower side. For 2022, this is compared with the previous year, all of this. That is why they have a big gap between them. However, it is not showing any strong performance from the financial perspective. So we are going to move on this point. They don't share dividends at all. So let's see what is happening from the technical perspective. So it is not a very good long-time investment. It's a good short-term investment, or probably, let's say, speculation better. At this point, I'm looking at this big support area here. The previous low was created on December 22. This is approximately 7.6. And if price is going to move down to this area, it will face a strong support close to 8 or 7.9. So this is the price that I'm looking at for the moment. It fits very well because we may see any price expansion in this way. So what can happen is that price can create this type of movement as a big picture, and this can be the upper part of the movement. However, we are not going to target in that place. It's too far for our target. One scenario is that price can come down and later it can increase. Let's suppose that if you want to be a bit more conservative, you can wait for the price to come in this area, wait for price to break through the pattern, and later you can join this trade. So this is how we can join the conservative part. If you are going to jump in the market right now, that is also a bit risky. You have to wait, in my opinion, for the price to bounce above the channel, and later it may rise further from this point. As you can see, price is already showing some bullish momentum here. It looks interesting. However, we have to be careful because we are talking about financial industry, and overall this is impacted from the banking industry as well. That is why we have to be careful. That is, and I'm looking at also for the $8 as a bearish possibility at this point. If price is going to increase, the first area that I'm looking at will be this part of the structure that is close to 10.7. The second one will be the top of this pattern, and for the third one I would like to target somewhere close to the top. But considering that price was there on 2022 on November, so the chances are higher that it can reach this area. So it is better not to be greedy most of the time in trading, and this can be a reasonable target in my opinion. So these are the three targets that I'm looking at for Robinhood Markets. This is from the technical perspective, and considering that many likes to trade Robinhood, the chances are very high that it can perform very well during this moment, but it is not good at all as a long-term investment. So this is just a speculative pattern that I'm looking at this position. So that's all for Robinhood Market. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.